e la ka ai mo tuhi tuhi. Mo tuhi tuhi I ka waha ke mo moni. Tuhi ia o e la e ka ai o noloa. Tuhi tuhi e I ka ono KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Hana hou! Tuhia ia o e la e ka ai mo tuhi tuhi. Mo tuhi tuhi I sawaha ke mo moni. Tuhia ia o e la e ka ai o noloa. Tuhia tuhi e I ka ono KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. E poke o e ono loa e sa mea e li anei. So ele oe I ka nau e hoi e. Pālau ka ʻŌLELO, puni hei mai nei. Puni ia e ka onola, poina ole e. Piele, sulolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. E poke o e onolo e sa mea e li anei. So ele o e I ka nau e hoi e. Pālau ka ʻŌLELO, puni hei mai nei. Puni ia e ka onola, poina ole e. Piele, sulolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, sulolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Aloha pai kākou. We're here at Mele and Mo'olelo Thursday, sharing with you mele. And this mele, another mele on the new CD by Sean Na'au'au. And the name of the mele, ka inoa o ke ia mele, Piele Kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau. It's on the new CD called E Kahiau. And I go and sing them one more time. And then ho'ovehevehe ana a ka mana o me ka unuhi o ke ia mele. Yeah? Ka ho'ovehevehe ana a ka mana o I pili ana no ka haku ana no o ke ia mele. No ke ia mau mea onoloa. No nā Hawaiʻi o ia ho'i ka piele ke kahi kūlolo. Ke kahi ae o ia ho'i o ke KōʻELE Pālau. Ka onuhi a ka ʻŌLELO Hawaiʻi a he mea nui no ka maupopo pono ano no o ke ia mele Piele Kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau. Hana hou me ka mele. Ka ai mo tuhi tuhi, mo tuhi tuhi ka waha ke momoni. Tuhi ia o e la e ka ai onoloa. Tuhi e I ka ono KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Tuhi ia o e la e ka ai mo tuhi tuhi. Mo tuhi tuhi I ka waha ke momoni. Tuhi ia o e la e ka ai o noloa. Tuhi e I ka ono KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. E poke o e onoloa e sa mea e li anei. Aso ele ele o e la I kanaue ho I e Pālau ka ʻŌLELO Puni hei mai nei Puni ia e ka onola Poina ole e Piele kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau Piele kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau He poke oe onoloa e sanea e li anei Aso ele ele oe la I kanaue ho I e Pālau ka ʻŌLELO Puni hei mai nei Puni ia e ka onola poina ole e Piele kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau Piele kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau Piele kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau Piele kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau Hanau Piele kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau Piele kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau Piele kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau Piele kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau So the name of the mele on Ekahiau, and Sean now always performing, is Piele Kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau. He haka mana o ke ia inoa no ke ia mele Piele Kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau. So back then when we were keiki, growing up with our kupuna wahine iwa wahine ali I kana ai me kupuna kahane, Frank ka ayali I olilo a kana e. Of course, and nui no na mo'opuna ke la manawa. Nohono mahako me ko mau kupuna. So many mo'opuna. And of course we lived with our grandparents. And akamai no ino la ua I ka walao ana no o ka ʻŌLELO HAWAIʻI. ʻŌLELO no la ko ia mahako. Ke kahi hapa o na mo'opuna a maupopo no la ko ka ʻŌLELO o na kupuna. Ke kahi hapa a ale la ko maupopo no ka mea o ka la ko ʻŌLELO o e hoi ka ʻŌLELO haole ke la manawa. Ano mako na mo'opuna me ka maupopo no o ka ʻŌLELO HAWAIʻI a nui no ka aka o ko ho'olohe ana no o ke ia ha'i o ke ia ʻŌLELO NOEAU na kupuna ia mako. So what happens is, of course, our grandparents raised us all, but not everybody had the understanding of the ʻŌLELO HAWAIʻI. Some of us knew, especially us, that we were closer to our grandparents, but some didn't understand because they understood English better. But, you know, as keikia, nui no kaniele, I pile ana no ke la me ke ia, always nosy about something, right? So nui no kaninau I na kūpuna, he aha ke la, he aha ke ia, he aha kahana o ke la, he aha kahana o ke ia. So we ask a lot of questions, yeah? And the response, yeah? When they panimai no ia mako, they say like this, Piele kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau. Aya ke la ano ʻŌLELO, Piele kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau. What they telling us, what they talking about, Piele kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau. So that is an ʻŌLELO NOEAU. And the meaning behind it all, not the literal translation, now the use. And that's different, right? Because the literal meaning, yeah, Piele is a pudding, yeah, made with coconut milk and ulu. Kūlolo is a pudding made from the kalo and the coconut milk. And the KōʻELE Pālau is a pudding made from sweet potato and coconut milk. Of course, in each one, ho'okomo I ka mea mo tuhi-tuhi. He aha ka mea mo tuhi-tuhi I komo ia no, I ka ho'omākaukau, ka ho'owali ia no, o ke ia mau mea ono loa. Ka piele, ke kūlolo, ke KōʻELE Pālau. What was this thing that was put into the preparation, the mixing of all these delicious kinds of puddings that they made? And the ai mo tuhi-tuhi was sugar, the kopa'a, the brown sugar especially. And ko paa ula ula, ho ko mono lākou i ki ko paa ula ula i loko o ka piele i ka ho o mā kaukau ana no. Ma hope no ka ho o mā kaukau ana no o ki ia mea ono loa ki ia ai mo tuhi tuhi. Wahino lākou i ki ia mea ono loa i loko o ka lā i, a ho ko mono i loko o ka oma. A pau ka oma ana no i loko o ka oma ana mā kou no ka pā ina i hono ona mea ai i ho o mā kaukau ia nā po e kūpuna. So, when they prepared the Piele, or the Kūlolo, or the KōʻELE Pālau, of course, the thing that gave it the sweetness was, of course, the brown sugar. So, sugar, yeah, that's the mea I mo tuhi ai, I na mea I moa ia I loko o ka oma o i hoi ka piele ke kuo, ke kūlolo, ke KōʻELE Pālau. And so the song speaks about the ai mo tuhi tuhi. The ai mo tuhi tuhi is that food that has been sweetened, of course, by sugar. So it starts off by saying, tuhi au ya oe la. I choose, my choice is you. E ka ai mo tuhi tuhi, the food that has been sweetened, and I explained the sweetening of the food, the ho'o momono o na mea ai, ka ho'o mo tuhi tuhi o na mea ai, that was by the kopa'a, the sugar. Mo tuhi tuhi I ka waha, so sweet when you put it in your mouth, ke momoni iho, and you swallow. Tuhi au ya oe la, I choose you. You know, when you ask the keiki, which one you like eat? Ya hakau make make ai iho no, and they say, I choose that one. Tuhi au ya oe la, e ka ai ono loa, the food that is so delicious. Tuhi au, tuhi e, I choose. Ika ono, the delicious KōʻELE Pālau. This is the pudding made from uala. O wale ia no me ka vai o ka niu, ka vai u niu, me ke kōpa'a, o ia hoi ka ai mo tuhi tuhi. So, again, when they prepare these things, they mix the mashed sweet potato, and somebody is not on mute. Please check if you're on mute. So you have the mashed sweet potato, and then you put in the coconut milk, and then you sweeten with the brown sugar. And so that term, Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau, that is what Kupuna would often say to their mo'opuna, especially when they ask too many questions. So when you ni'ele, you asking too many questions, this ʻŌLELO NOEAU says Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau, naming three kinds of pudding, but it is a play on the word ni'ele, and the kupuna would say, Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. You're asking too many questions. One, interpretation. The other one is, mind your own business. Mind your own business. If that's not your kuleana, that's not yours, then Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau, just mind your own business. In a very nice way. And usually when they say that, it always comes with a smile or them laughing at us. Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Now you're asking too many questions, you're getting too inquisitive, or this is not your business. This is not your business. Mind your own business. Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. And you know, because it is a play on these beautiful words and these very good tasting desserts, usually people don't get upset when the kupuna say that. They understand what the kupuna is doing. The kupuna is telling them very lightly, mind your own and no go maha'oi somebody else. And today, because of social media, this is very, very important, because everybody seems to want to mind everybody else's business. And the retort or the reply should always be, Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Simple as that. take care of your own kuleana and no go niele somebody else's kuleana. Because, you know, nui no ka putata ma loko o whakepuke, so much bullcrap going on, of course, Facebook. And, you know, that's what social media does. Everybody can tell one pukaka story, one bullshit story. And then it riles up a lot of people. And then a lot of people get caught up in the drama. We call them drama lanis, right? They're all like, ho'okomono ki ia drama, ki ia maupo e drama lani. And that's not good. So a nice way of telling everybody, mind your own business. Because, you know, before when we had, you know, some issue back then, yeah, and then you go and you tell your kupuna, yeah, and they tell you like this, did you see? Oh no. Were you there? Oh no. Then how you know? Oh, my friend told me. Oh, okay, that's just like social media. And then they tell you like this, kuli ko waha, Piele Kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau. You be quiet, mind your own business. No go maha oi aku, no go niele aku. Piele Kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau. Ulu, breadfruit pudding. Kūlolo, taro pudding. KōʻELE Pālau, sweet potato pudding. So, tuhiau ya oela, e ka ai mō tuhi. Mō tuhi I ka waha, ke momoniho. Tuhiau ya oela, e ka ai onoloa, because it is so delicious. Tuhiau tuhie, pointing, choosing. Ika ono KōʻELE Pālau, the deliciousness of the pudding called KōʻELE Pālau. And nui no ke anohano o ka ho'omākaukau, iho no ke ia mea ono o e ho'i no ke KōʻELE Pālau. So many ways to prepare the KōʻELE Pālau. All right. Now we come to kapauku e lua o ke ia mele I haku ia no. And it says, he poke oi onoloa. He poke oi onoloa. Just a small piece, just a sample is so delicious. E kamea eli ane, you are the one I just want so badly. KōʻELE oi I ka naue ho'i e. You know, you make one big noise, yeah? Pounding, tapping, exploding. You make big noise as you enter or you move. Pālau ka ʻŌLELO. You exaggerate when you talk. Pālau ka ʻŌLELO. Puni hei mai nei. And then everybody get caught up in the pukakara bullshit. Puni ia e ka ono. You caught by the ono, the delicious taste. Poina ole, you never going to forget. And so these are lessons, yeah, about being ni'ele, being maha'oi, and then go ni'ele somebody else's kuleana. This is a lesson about, you know, you're going to talk, and then you're going to talk some pukaka, and then people going to believe because you took this small story, which was very simple. Pālau no ka ʻŌLELO, you exaggerate everything you had to say. So ʻELE oi I ka naue ho'i e, and you go take this story and you explode them everywhere, and everywhere you naue aku no a naue mai, so ʻELE, and then exaggerate everything and punihei, everybody get caught. But was that the truth of the story? So everybody got caught in this thing that they thought was so ono. And now the truth has been revealed. Poina ole, now we're not going to forget the lesson of our kupuna. When they say, Piele Kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau. So many meanings. Mind your own business, or enough of the bullshit. You know? And that's why this mele was written. Again, the ʻŌLELO HAWAIʻI is ʻŌLELO mai ka iloa. The ʻŌLELO HAWAIʻI is ʻŌLELO mana. He mana ka ʻŌLELO o na po e kupuna. This language of our kupuna has, of course, lots of authority. And how you use the word how you weave the word into a mele, and the play on the word. Kapilina o kela hua ʻŌLELO me ke ia hua ʻŌLELO. How the words are connected. Connected in the meaning, connected in the sound, connected in the intent. Pilia pili pono no. One thing directly connected to the other in its pono, in its order. And so when I haku ke ia mau mele, when I write these mele, no ka ike no na po e kūpuna, I ka lako malama mai ana ia o me ka ʻŌLELO, me ka ike mau popo ana no ke ia mau hua ʻŌLELO. So I take that knowledge that came from my grandparents, and I mentioned their names before, and how they were able to teach me the play of one word on the other word. And this starts with the word kuhi. Kuhi, to choose. Kuhi meaning that, you know, in any situation, you have choice. You have choice to follow. You have choice not to follow. Meaning, I'm going to follow the bullshit, or I'm not going to follow the bullshit. And kupuna ya, kamai loa no la ko. They can smell I ka hauna from miles away. When somebody come ho'okipa, no kapukaka wale no, they know already when the person coming, they can hanu no I ka hauna o ki ia mo o ʻŌLELO. He mo o ʻŌLELO pukaka no. And so you choose where you like be, what you like be. You like be when mea au vala'au no. Vala'au I pila no ke la me ke ia. Or you like ʻŌLELO me ka pono. Ai ka ʻŌLELO kūpuna ka pono. Ai ka ʻŌLELO kūpuna ka oia i'o. No ka wahano o nā kūpuna ka ʻŌLELO kūpuna. Ale na ka puke. Ale na ka kula. No ka ʻŌLELO o na po e kūpuna. I loko o ka hale me ka mālama lama ana no me na po e mo upuna. Oia hoi no ka ʻŌLELO kūpuna. O ke ia mele he ʻŌLELO kūpuna. No ka waha o ko mau kūpuna ka ike mau popo ana no o ke ia mau hua ʻŌLELO I haku ia no I loko o ke ia mele. And that is the way it's done. Tuhi, you can choose. What you like choose. Hea ko make hea I no. Hea no I ko li ai pili ana no ke kuhi ana o ke la mea ke ia mea. Ke la pono ke ia pono. Ke la hewa no ke ia. Ke ia hewa. Ke la pukaka no. Au e ke aloha e. So what you going to choose? So it says ka'ai mo tuhi tuhi. Choose the thing that's going to be best for you. Choose something that's going to sweeten your life. Not something that's going to bring you pilikia. Not something that's going to ho eha no I ka pu'uwai. Kuhi au I ka ai mo kuhi kuhi. Mo kuhi kuhi no I ka waha ke momoni. So when you eat and you swallow, just like ike, when you receive the ike and you digest the ike, it is something that is pleasing to your understanding. Ele ke pu me ke kuhi ana o ka mea ai o noloa, ke ia mea ai mo tuhi tuhi no I ka waha ke momoni iho. So you choose something that could be good for you. No, choose something that could bring you, hakaka, going to bring you problems. Be akamai no as you choose. You know, people say, make sure you know what you're getting involved with. Well, here it is. Choose a thing that could benefit you. Kuhi au ia oe la ka ai mo tuhi tuhi. Mo tuhi tuhi I ka waha ke momoni. Tuhi au ia oe la I ka ai onoloa. Onoloa, this is going to be good forever. This is so delicious. This is going to benefit you and your understanding. Be very cautious. No need listen to everything. Listen, if you have to the ʻŌLELO o nā kūpuna. Ana mo kūpuna. Aia no ka ʻŌLELO o nā kūpuna I loko o ka ʻŌLELO no eau. Mau no ka ʻŌLELO o nā po e kūpuna I loko o ka ʻŌLELO no eau. I ka unuhi ana no ki ia mau ʻŌLELO no eau. I ka ike mau popo pono. Nā kūpuna no ka ho'o vehevehe ana no. O ka mana o pono I pile ana no. Ke la ʻŌLELO no eau ki ia ʻŌLELO no eau. So what I'm saying is that the kupuna have the understanding to explain to you what these ʻŌLELO NOEAU mean. So there is a literal translation. So there is what is written, right? So ua hako no nā kupuna i ki ia mau ʻŌLELO NOEAU. That's in the ʻŌLELO Hawaii. That's one aspect. Then you have the second aspect, which is the translation, literal translation. Yeah. So, for example, the kupuna said, Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE, Pālau. Ua haku, o ua hoʻohaku no lākou i ki ia ʻŌLELO NOEAU, Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE, Pālau. Pehea ka unuhi, o ka unuhi o ke ia ʻŌLELO NOEAU, Piele, ulu pudding, Kūlolo, taro pudding, KōʻELE, Pālau. Sweet potato pudding. E lua mau mea no ka maupopo ana no o ki ia ʻŌLELO NOEAU. A pehea ka helu e kolu. O ka helu e kolu e pili pono no i nā ʻŌLELO NOEAU o e hoʻi ka mo'o ʻōlelo. So the third aspect of understanding these ʻŌLELO NOEAU would be the story or the history that comes with it. So always three aspects, yeah? Because that's what the word is, haku, to braid. Haku ke la me ke ia. E kolu mau kaula no ka haku ana o ka lei. E like pū me ka haku ana o ke ia mau ʻŌLELO NOEAU. E like pū me ka haku ana o nā mele. E kolu mau manao I haku ia I loko o ka ʻŌLELO NOEAU. E kolu mau manao I haku ia I loko o ka mele. So, every ʻŌLELO NOEAU and every mele has three components. And it reflects back to the word haku, where everything is braided. E kolu kaula, 3 ply. E kolu manao, 3 thoughts. Piele kulolo, piele kulolo KōʻELE Pālau. So, if the literal translation is Piele Kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau, I mean, the words are Piele Kūlolo KōʻELE Pālau, the literal translation, breadfruit pudding, taro pudding, sweet potato pudding. What is the mo'o ʻōlelo? What is the story, the history, the reference to this ʻŌLELO NOEAU? And only the kupuna know. Only the kupuna know. So when you come and watch our mele and mo'o ʻōlelo, then I try to explain, and as mentioned, aforementioned, is that this is an ʻŌLELO NOEAU, and the play is on the word. Several words, so let's look at it. Piele is a play on ni'ele, to be nosy. To be nosy. Okay? Listen po olohe pono I ka vehevehe ana a ka manao of this ʻŌLELO NOEAU. So Piele, a play on ni'ele. What is ni'ele? Lolo. I mean, kalamai, ni'ele is nosy. The next word is kūlolo. So think about ku and lolo. You standing in front of me, and now you lolo. Kūlolo. Kūlolo oi. So, ni'ele I ka manao, a kūlolo oi I ka manao. You're not making any sense. You're over here telling me this story. This is just how Pālau know. Now, ku me ka lolo oi. You're standing here and you're looking lolo. KōʻELE, as in the word KōʻELE, you're making big noise. You're making big ado about nothing. You just like talk more loud. And more loud and more loud. And only the kūlolo go listen to you because they don't know the difference between pono and heva, because what overcome them, the piele, the ni'ele. So that's how you get piele, kūlolo, KōʻELE, and then you get Pālau. That's the best one because you exaggerate everything. You make the story big. And most times, the story not true. You see? So now that's the mo'o ʻŌLELO of this ʻŌLELO NOEAU. And pēha ko maupopo ana o ki ia ʻŌLELO NOEAU Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE, Pālau. Because kama'aina no, I ko ho'olohe ana I ku ua kamaiki. I heard it so many times when I was a young child. And ko mau kūpuna o iogo I o iwa wahine ali I kanae, me ranka ai ali I o liloa, nā laua no, ka o vehevehe ana o ke ia ike. Ka ʻŌLELO NOEAU o na po e kūpuna, Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE, Pālau. So not only you nosy, but you looking like you lolo, and then you come with so much big talk, and you let go louder and louder because you think the louder you go, more people go listen. The only people go listen to you is the Kūlolo. They don't know how to discern between right and wrong, or truth and untruth. Piele no, and because they're so nosy, they all gather around, and then Pālau, you exaggerate everything. Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE, Pālau. So now you have the ʻŌLELO, aya I ka ʻŌLELO, ka oia i'o. In our language, there is truth. Aya I ka ʻŌLELO ka mana, in the language there is authority. Nā kūpuna ka ʻŌLELO, and the ʻŌLELO comes from our kūpuna. And what was the ʻŌLELO? Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE, Pālau. All right. So we gave you the ʻŌLELO Hawaiʻi and the translation. The translation was Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE, Pālau. What was the mo'o ʻŌLELO? The story of these words. And there's always going to be a play on words. Always. Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE, Pālau. So, again, ya ka mana'o o ki ia mele I ho o haku ia na ke ia kumu o iho o ka wai kapo o kalani. Again, every mele has a story. Every mele has ʻŌLELO Hawaiʻi. Every mele has a translation. Every mele has a mo'o ʻŌLELO. There is a fourth part of the mele, which is the kauna. But the kauna is the hidden part of the mele. What does that mean? It belongs only to the composer and to no one else. The kauna is the secret part of the mele. I won't tell you the kauna. No. Why would I tell you the kauna? Then I just want to expose the secret of the mele. Malama iho no I ke kauna o ka mele. Nā haku o na mele nā mea iho o malu ia no. Ho'una ia no. Ke kauna o na mele. That's our kuleana. Because that is the life force, the air of the mele. The kauna of the mele is the life force of the mele. So, let's go back to the mele. And I'm going to sing the mele one more time. And now that you know and understand the mele, when I sing this mele, I'm very happy. Nui no ka aka kahimene ako no o ki ia mele. Because it's teaching a lesson. What you going to choose? You're going to choose for being ni'ele. You're going to choose for kūlolo. You're going to choose to KōʻELE, wherever you go. Or you're going to choose to Pālau, exaggerate. What you going to do? Or you can malama I ko kuleana iho, take care of your kuleana. Pa'ano kawaha. Keep your mouth shut. Ho'olohe me ka pepe au. And listen very carefully. Hanano me ka lima. Work hard with your hand. I mua no me ka pono o nā kūpuna, and go forward with the pono of your ancestors. So you're not one. Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE, Pālau. Mo tuhi tuhi I kawaha ke mo moni tuhi au ya oela e kai o no loa Tuhia, tuhi e I ka ono KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Tuhia ia ʻŌLELO e ka ai mō tuhi tuhi. Mō tuhi tuhi I sawaha ke momoni. Tuhi au ia ʻŌLELO e ka ai o noloa. Tuhi au, tuhi e I ka ono KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. He poke oe o noloa e sa mea e lia nei. KōʻELE ele oe I kanaue hoi e. Pālau ka ʻŌLELO puni hei mai nei. Puni ia I ka onola poina ole e. Piele, kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. He poke oe o noloa e sa mea e lia nei. KōʻELE ele oe I kanaue hoi e. Pālau ka ʻŌLELO puni hei mai nei. Puni ia e ka onola poina ole e. Piele, kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Ana hou. Piele, kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. Piele, kūlolo, KōʻELE Pālau. So remember, we have choice. We can choose that way or we can choose this way. Make sure you make the right choices today. If you listen to all this nonsense on social media, of course there are some truths, but for the most part, it's called social media. It's a social club for people that want to tell stories. And they sure do tell all these stories. You believe the story, that's your kuhi, that's your choice. People that are akamailoa, like I said, they're going to me ka maka, they're going to look with their eyes. They're going to ho'olohe me ka pepeao, they're going to listen carefully. They're going to hana me ka lima, they're going to do with their hands. And then they're going to kuhi I ka pono, they're going to choose the right thing. Me ka ike o nā kūpuna with the wisdom of their ancestors. And that is who we are, the Lahui Hawaii. We may talk about these things, but let's actually do it. Let's imua me ka pono o nā kūpuna. Let's go forward with the wisdom of our kūpuna. Not Piele, nosy. Not Kū me ka lolo, standing with Lolo. Not KōʻELE, being loud about everything. And not Pālau, exaggeration. You gon ʻŌLELO, ʻŌLELO me ka pono. Aia I ka ʻŌLELO ka pono o nā kūpuna. First of all, aia I ka ʻŌLELO ka pono o ke akua. Aia I ka ʻŌLELO ka pono o ki ia aina o Hawaii nei. Aia I ka ʻŌLELO ka pono o nā kanaka. Listen to those words. When you ʻŌLELO, you get the pono of the akua, the order. When you ʻŌLELO, you get the pono, the order of the land. When you ʻŌLELO, you get the pono of hasta la hui Hawaiʻi. What does that mean? If you're going ʻŌLELO, ʻŌLELO with pono. Not with Piele, not with Kūlolo, not with KōʻELE, not with Pālau. No need. ʻŌLELO me ka pono, hana me ka pono. All right. This mele, Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE, Pālau, on the new CD of Mr. Sean Na'au'au. It is, I'm thinking it's coming out October 2023, and you can purchase that CD and listen to all these mele, these new mele, but I'm going to post this on YouTube as well as on my Facebook page, again, to teach and to educate. So when you hear the mele and you want to understand the mo'o'olelo of the mele, then please, the mele will be on the Facebook page. Piele, Kūlolo, KōʻELE, Pālau. Until our next class next week, mele and mo'o'olelo, songs and the histories and the stories behind those songs. Until then, ahui ho kākou. Thank you all for coming into mele and mo'o'olelo. I'm here at my classroom at Woodward Community College, where I teach mele and mo'o'olelo, especially the understanding of these beautiful ʻŌLELO Hawaiʻi words. Until the next class, ahui ho kākou e na haumana na ke akua no ka ho'ola ko ho'omalu, a me ka ho'omaikai malu no o kākou pākahi a pau na ke akua no ka pūliki. Mau no me kona aloha nui. Aloha ahui ho kākou.